how do you look at AI in game dev? We kind of touched on it, but I would like to, not in game dev, in creative fields in general. How to kind of look at it?
Yeah, man, that this is somewhere I kind of I still honestly I don't feel impervious to evolving my thoughts about it. But right now, as things stands, I don't like the fact that the first people we're trying to replace are creatives. I don't see how that makes sense. I feel like we're delivering slop on many fronts, on many creative endeavors, like we're just being dictated. I'm not going to name any names. I'm not going to say anything. I'm just saying that in general, I feel like we kind of forgot that art is by human and for human, and I'm using art as creative endeavors, like I feel like it's by humans for humans. I don't say don't use it. I'm just saying don't replace real people with real souls and references and stories and vibes, and like for the machine. Allow the machine to help us. Like I do a lot of research on AI. Like I do check it. Like I like that the thing is getting a little less crazy about what it tells me, and it cites fonts better. That really helps my work of like reviewing what the AI said. So AI has been great to do research. It is helpful in organizing your own mind, especially if you're the more chaotic you are as a creative, the more it will help you on that sense. Because sometimes it's just about like you're cooking dinner and you had a crazy idea and you just pop the thing and you start like unloading. Oh, what about this and that and that? And AI will turn it into like a clean little document that you can read later after your dinner and kind of get a feel of it. It's not going to be insane scribblings. Like I still write everything on notebooks. My notebooks are like insane, but AI does help with that. Like it's something that anybody later that you need to brief or like send it to a partner, to a dev, or to an artist. Like it's there. It's clean. It's easy for anybody to understand.
It sounds like you're using it to kind of augment
Yeah,
yourself,
yeah,
to
exactly.
get rid of your lowest sides or like your worst qualities, let's say, and augment those great qualities.
Exactly. I feel like it's there's a sense of like I don't look for things in a physical encyclopedia since I can Google stuff. Like I don't. It's very romantic to hold a paper encyclopedia, but I don't have that time. Like I have way too much to do that, so I can just Google it. So again, like I'm a fan of notebooks. I do it, but it's a me thing. I'm not preaching that to anybody else that doesn't need it. But like it is there. Even I do the crazy like, hey AI, and I just vomit ideas, and then I read it, and sometimes I go like, oh, I'm glad I organized this because this is not good. Let me just not save just by rereading the idea. I know it's not good, but so yeah, it's a tool. It's a delivery thing. It speeds the process. It does, like, coders ask questions, coders like use it a lot. Just don't lose the coder, don't lose the writer, don't lose the person with a soul, like again, that's a right now thing. That's a fear that I have, and I know that the industry have. Like if you just go through LinkedIn, sometimes it's just sad because it's amazing people looking for work, and like you kind of know that it's AI adjacent. The problem, it does come through it. So yeah, crazy times, still skeptical, but trying to do the best of a weird situation.